Here is a factoring problem that we have to solve an equation by factoring. It's from 7.4. And this is to me it's a little hard to factor when I see the word cosine. So I'm going to write it without the cosines. So it'd be 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 equals 0. Well, 3 can only be 3 and 1. And 2 can only be 1 and 2. If I put the 2 here, put 2, it'd be 6, take away 1. The 6 is positive and the 1's negative would give us 5. If I FOIL this together, I'll get 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. Now, you could use if you have a Casio FX 115, you could put mode 5-3, put 3, 5, negative 2, and you'll get these two answers down here. But we need to put the cosine back in. I just took it out to make it easier to factor. Put them back in, it's 3 cosine x minus 1 and cosine x plus 2. So let's solve this one. It equals 0, and this one equals 0. Let's do this one first because it's easiest. Move the 2 over. Cosine x equals negative 2. Cosine cannot be negative 2. Cosine can only go up to positive 1 and down to negative 1. Tangent can go up to infinity. Sine can only be negative 1 to positive 1. So this one, move the 1 over and divide by 3. Move the 1 over here. And then move the 3, you'll have 1/3. The 1 became positive. All right, so the angle theta, or x, they use an x, doesn't matter, would be equal to the arc cosine of 1/3 and then put that in your calculator and see what you get. You get pi over 6. All right, so this was cosine. And cosine is positive. Let's see, this is pi over 6. All students take calculus. Cosine is in the 4th quadrant down here. So that'd be 2 pi, subtract pi over 6. 1 and 5, 6. Would that be 11/6? Let me do that on my calculator. 2 pi, subtract pi divided by 6. 11/6 pi. Now, let's only get the answer between 0 and 2 pi, so there's 2 answers. There'd be 1 period.